Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn off domain lock on Namecheap. So if you're planning to transfer your domain to another register, or if you need to make certain changes to your domain settings, you'll first need to disable the domain lock. And what is first of all, what is a domain lock? So it's just something, a security that's just helping us to prevent any unauthorized transfers or changes to your domain. And it's generally a good idea to keep this enabled. But if there are times when we want this to turn off, when we want to transfer our domain to another register. Because I know when I started on a different register, I wanted to transfer it, and it didn't work because I had this enabled. So I'm going to show you in this video how to turn this off. So what you're going to need to do, just log in on Namecheap, and then you just need to click on here on your profile. You're going to click on there, and then you're just going to select here dashboard, and then here just click on domain list. Here what you're going to have to do is just to click on domain list. When you click on domain list, make sure you click on manage. So click on manage here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on sharing and transfer. So let's click on sharing and transfer. And from here, what we're gonna have to do is just to scroll down, and then this is what you should see. You should see domain lock. Make sure you click on unlock from here. I mean, this is just it's already unlocked. It's already, you just need, I'm just locked it, but now I can just unlock it by just clicking on this button right over here. So just click on unlock now, and you unlock the domain lock. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.